one more birthday. Happy birthday to Jazara. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Jazara. It's from your grandma, Carlene. Hope you have a great day today, Jazara. Nice name. I hope I pronounce it right. And many happy returns. What go on now?
What go on, never?
You tell me.
How many of us look back on our childhood and wish we would have been taught more about money? Well, a lot of people graduate from college without any idea how to manage their money or balance their bank account. And maybe you are one of them, maybe not. But here are some tips to help your child or children understand how to spend and save.
So they say use a clear jar to save. The piggy bank is a great idea, but it doesn't give kids any visual. So when you use a clear jar, they see the money growing. Yesterday they had a $1 bill and 5 dimes. So talk, oh, I'm sitting inside, can't be truly sleep. Oh, yeah. It's a good thing we can sing. It's that's the deal.
Oh gosh, I love Never.
It reminds me.
Never said,
it reminds me of my story in the hotel.
Yes.
That's
oh
funny.
my God. I don't agree with what you read though.
What, you don't agree that they must see the money?
No, sir.
Why?
Because sometimes they save and save and save, and it's when they open the jar,
And them say,
they realize how much they must save. I think if they saw what they were saving, then along the way, they would have said, may I shake out some and buy something? So anyway, that's my thing.
Set an example.
Little eyes are watching you. If you're slapping down plastic every time you go out to dinner or to the grocery store, they will eventually notice. If at the end of every month, you and your spouse are arguing about money, they'll notice. So set a healthy example for them, and they'll be much more likely to follow it when they get older.
You agree, Dominic?
I do.
Okay. What's the next one?
Show them that stuff costs money. Yes.
So you've got to do more than just say, that pack of toy cars costs $500, son. Help them grab a few dollars out of the jar, take it with them to the store, and physically hand the money to the cashier. This simple action will do more than just a 5-minute lecture.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. For tweens, a boy or girl who is 11 or 12.
Show opportunity cost.
Just another way of saying if you buy this video game, then you won't have the money to buy that pair of shoes. So they're able to weigh decisions and realize that each decision has a consequence.
Yeah.
Although I think some of them would have tell you, say, don't buy the textbook.
Yeah, buy the video game.
Buy the video game. Yeah.
What's the next one?
Give commissions, not allowances.
So don't just give your kids money for breathing. Pay them commissions based on chores they do around the house. Chores like taking up the trash, cleaning their room, or mowing the grass. This will help them understand that money is earned and you don't just give it to them.
Yeah, Girl Guide used to have a little thing. You work for people and then pay and then sign it up.
Yeah, and the kids abroad, they sell newspapers and they have
Mow
the
the
little
lawn.
thing. Yep. Stress the importance of giving.
All right, so once they start making a little money, be sure you teach them about giving. They can pick a church or a charity or even someone they know who needs a little help, and that's nice.
Yeah, man.
That's nice.
What do you say for teenagers?
So she's going from the babies to the tweens, now she's at teenagers. Give them the responsibility of a bank account.
Yeah, so by the time your kid is a teenager, you should be able to set them up with a simple bank account if you've been doing some of the above all along. This takes money management to the next level, and it will prepare them for, well, hopefully managing a much heftier account balance when they get older.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, important thing is it's something that you need to teach.
But you know I save everything. I save a jar with $5, $10, $20, and $50, and I have another jar with $100. I won't tell you how much it reached now.
When I collect the toll, I'll take bills up for a while, I put it in a little bag, and them know me when I reach me, say, and they change me, I give them back, and I give them back in coins. Yeah.
You go.
So it's cool.
I like your...
Thank you, my
They
love.
call it an ensemble. How you pronounce that word? Some people say ensemble, and some people just say like ensemble.
Well, they say the ensemble, but they don't. So they don't say ensemble. Yes, ensemble.
Oh, there you go.
Me don't know. Fair good morning. Please send me a voice note with how to pronounce it. You are Alma Mackien, please.
Yeah, come on,
Leonie Forbes.
The other one too is genre.
Genre.
Yeah, that's the other one that's a little bit difficult. Yeah. Not difficult, but different depending on who says it. We're going to go for a break, and when we come back, we have news in 5. Stay with us, please.